1, that's equal to P into E, where this P is 50 into 10 to the power of 3 multiplied by eccentricity is from P to the CG, 500 plus 100, that is 600, that is equal to 4 times F1, the secondary load unknown, multiplied by this L1 is 134.54, 134.54. You may ask me how to obtain this. Friends, you can see here, the L1 is this distance from CG to this one. Friends, you know this distance, this is 100 and this is 90. So, this L1 is equal to square root of 100 square plus 90 square under root. So, L1 works out to 134.54, and after simplification, friends, you get F1, the secondary load